with your doctor. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is a tropic component of ecosystem is A. Sunlight, B. Green plants, C. Herbivores, and D. Bacteria and fungi. So the correct option is B. Green plants. The next MCQ is which of the following is the main factor of water pollution? A. Smoke, B. Ammonia, C. Detergents and the industrial waste. So the correct option is C. Industrial waste. The next MCQ is the main air pollutant is A. CO, B. CO2, C. and 2 and D. Sulfur. So the correct option is A. CO. The next MCQ is which of the following is non-renewable source of energy? A. Coal, B. Forest, C. H2O, and D. Wildlife. So the correct option is A. Coal. The next MCQ says loss of air exchange capacity by deterioration of alveoli in lungs tissues called A. Emphysema, C. Necrosis, C. Epuliant, and D. Eutrophication. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is major food crop of the world belongs to A. Leguminous. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the most important foods are derived from A. Roots, B. Fruits, C. Leaves, and D. Stems. So the correct option is B. Fruits. The next MCQ is a syllabus when placed in A. Isotonic solution, B. Hypertonic solution, C. Hypotonic solution, and D. Any activated water. So the correct option is C. Hypertonic solution. The next MCQ is when a content of all of a cell are in a solution that the process is called a hypotonic, B. Plasmolysis, C. Endoosmosis, and D. Osmosis. So the correct option is B. Plasmolysis. Next MCQ is which of the following statement is true? A. The plasma is the liquid or part of blood. B. RBC is smaller than WBC. Hemoglobin is stored in RBC, and D. All are true. So the correct option is D. All are true. The next MCQ is the blood coming from the heart is carried to liver by A. Aorta, B. Renal artery, C. Renal vein, and D. Hepatic artery. So the correct option is D. Hepatic artery. The next MCQ is ammonia is the chief nitrogenous excretory material in a cartilaginous species. We fall see fresh water. The blood coming from the heart is carried to liver by A. Aorta, B. Renal artery, C. Renal vein, and D. Hepatic artery. The correct option is D. Hepatic artery. The next MCQ is ammonia is the chief nitrogenous excretory material in a cartilaginous species. B. Fall, C. Freshwater fishes, and D. Mosquitoes. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is urea is produced from ammonia in the body of rapid armament in A. Liver, B. Kidney, C. Spleen, and D. Heart. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is kidney of a mammal resembles contractile vacuole of amoeba and expelling out A. Salt, B. Glucose, C. Excess water, and D. Urea and uric acid. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of these will completely be reabsorbed under normal condition in the nephron? A. Glucose, B. Urea, C. Salts, and D. Uric acid. So the correct option is A. Glucose. The next MCQ is aquatic animals are mostly ammonotelic because A. Ammonia helps in checking in flow of water into body. C. Excretion of ammonia requires large amount of water which is available to those animals. C. Water contains less nitrogen, and D. They get less light. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is which part of mammalian brains control the muscular coordination? A. Cerebellum, B. Cerebrum, C. Corpus callosum, and D. Medulla. So the correct option is A. Cerebellum. The next MCQs is the central nervous system consists of A. Brain and the spinal cord, B. Spinal cord and spinal nerves, C. Brain, spinal nerves, and cranial nerves, C. D. Brain and the cranial nerves. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDcat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying. Stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.